Hi there, and welcome to our review of the top flosser devices available on Amazon. If you're tired of struggling with traditional string floss, or if you have trouble reaching certain areas in your mouth, then a flosser device might be the perfect solution for you. In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at 3 of the best-selling flosser devices on Amazon to help you find the right one for your needs. Flosser device number 1, Waterpik Cordless Plus Water Flosser. First up, we have the Waterpik Cordless Plus Water Flosser. This flosser uses a steady stream of water to remove plaque and food particles from between your teeth and along the gum line. It's cordless, so you can easily use it in any room of your home, and it comes with 7 different tips for a variety of flossing needs. The Waterpik Cordless Plus also has 3 different pressure settings, so you can customize the intensity of the water flow to your liking. This flosser combines the power of water with the precision of sonic technology to deeply clean between your teeth and along the gum line. It has 6 different cleaning modes, including a sensitive mode for those with sensitive gums, and a massage mode to stimulate blood flow. Last but not least, we have the Philips Sonicare AirFloss Pro. This flosser uses a quick burst of air and water to remove plaque and food particles from between your teeth and along the gum line. It's easy to use and takes just 60 seconds to thoroughly clean your mouth. The Philips Sonicare AirFloss Pro also has a timer to help you floss for the recommended 2 minutes, and it comes with 2 different nozzle tips for a more personalized clean. So there you have it, some of the best-selling flosser devices on Amazon. These flosser devices are great options for those looking for a more effective and efficient way to clean between their teeth and along the gum line. Whether you prefer the steady stream of water from the Waterpik Cordless Plus, or the quick burst of air and water from the Philips Sonicare AirFloss Pro, there's a flosser that's perfect for you. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video has helped you find the right flosser device for your needs.